Hey, hello everyone. Good morning. This is Durga Shrestha. Welcome to my channel. So, this is a get ready with me vlog. मैले चाहिँ एकदम टाइम भइसकेको थियो भ्लग नबनाएको म त्यस्तो भ्लग नै गर्दिनँ बट स्टिल आई वान्टेड टु मेक सम भ्लग जस्ट टु अपलोड इन द युट्युब च्यानल इन दिस युट्युब च्यानल दुर्गा अनफिल्टर अनि आजको गेट रेडी विथ मी भ्लग चाहिँ पहिला हामी पुरानो गाउँतिर जाने हो गुफाको इन्भिटेसन छ एन्ड लेट्स स्टार्ट द भिडियो गेट रेडी मैले चाहिँ कुर्ता लगाएर जान लागेको एन्ड मेरो आजको आउटफिट चाहिँ यो कुर्ता हो दिस इज सो दिस embroidery looks so good here. I really like this one, V-neck. On this but I'm wearing this one and this was shawl. This is so pretty, but it was shawl here. I was like, I have to get this one. See? Shawl. Okay, now I will get quick change and I will get back with it. Now I will do some makeup and this पछि I don't know कपालसँग के गर्नु मैले but we will get to that and this is a quick get ready with me. I don't know मैले यो vlog गर्ने यतिकै भर्खर सोचे I didn't thought like very much कि I will do this that but यतिकै गरौँ भन्ने भयो अनि I did it. I'm doing it. Let's get started of doing makeup and gaf garde भन्दा नि के भने I will do a hair only makeup. So makeup गर्न भन्दा पहिला we will do some skincare, just simple one, serum, sunscreen, moisturizer, brushes and सुरुमा चाहिँ I am using moisturizer of Minimalist. This one, this cruel world, broken but strong, gotta move on. You're not a bakery of life. Equip my soul, find the real gold. I'll fulfill what I start. This is cool. Apply this in the neck. Let us go. Reception. Continue to work on my skin. Sunscreen done. That's concealer. I need the original concealer of this. Well, this is the first concealer I am using this. And I didn't use any concealer. I used to do teaching practice for my final semester and I think I need to get this ball one. I got it. I'll get back with the guys with this. I had concealer, right? I have brush but I don't know how to use this. It's just hair. I brush. Now I need to use this powder of Maybelline Fit Me. I just recently bought it. already moisturized my lip with this lip balm, Sonata Buttermint lip balm. We will tap some for your access part. I think this is it. देखिए बस I think triggering charm vibes. रुचिका मैले भन्ने बिर्सेको यो लिप लाइनर चाहिँ मार्सको हो, which is End of Desires, and the lip liner shade is Choco Butter 14 brown shade. I don't know which lipstick I want to use. This is of Fluorescence. This is by Karité. Lasting Waterful Lip Gloss. This is lip gloss. I don't know. Please comment below which lip gloss should I try. Lipstick should I apply? I don't think I will apply any lip gloss over it because it looks good on me. म चाहिँ ब्लसको लागि चाहिँ यो लिपस्टिक युज गर्छु, किस ब्युटीको वाला. It gives a natural blush. And it blends so well. I used this lipstick for blushes more than lipstick only. How naturally it blends on my skin. I used to have one lipstick. जुन चाहिँ मैले लिपस्टिक भनेर लगाउँथेँ, but that was eyeshadow.
We are living in this cruel world, broken but strong, gotta move on. You're not a bakery of life, equip my soul, find the real gold.
And this is my new mascara. Like me good tell. What? Okay, I will use this. It's actually very good. Okay, I will apply. Come. Wow, it's time for here. I'm running late. So I'm applying this serum in my hair by Strix Senior Serum. I don't know whether I was right. I don't know, but I'm just like talking nonsense. कपाल काटेको. Look, my goodness. To my hair. Yep. There it is. How pretty. Look at this. I don't know. I think. This is gift by my best friend Chitana Navarki. I know she doesn't wear mine, but I do. I have one of this. I don't have bracelet to wear. If you know, you know. समझदार की इशारा काफी है. Because I don't have a bracelet, and I love that. বলে তো সমাধান করে দেবে looks good. I have other one also, but I have to wear this one. This so tired and this is good. I can't wait to get on. I think it's gonna be like this. When you are getting ready and makeup boxes.
Feel alone, scream so loud. We are living in this cruel world. Broken but strong.
We forgot something. Do perfume. One was here. Oily garden box again. Dania. So yeah, I'm ready. I think so. Smells good, guys. So for time. Thank you for watching the vlog. Keep watching. Do subscribe, comment, like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I don't know what Durga filter. I think I will post it on Durga filter channel. So for this film, slipper. बकवास ही करी जा रहे हो पहले जा रही हूँ बकवास 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 I don't know. Mom is gonna yell at me. Oh, my braces. It's looking good. It's getting late.
This cruel world.